You might be wondering, can I be forced to submit to a blood test in the state of Georgia after being arrested for DUI? Well, the answer is it depends. Because first, the police are trying to get your consent for you to agree to submit to a chemical test of your blood under the implied consent warning. Do not consent to this test. Separately, if you were to refuse that test, the police could also try to obtain a search warrant for your blood. They have to apply for a search warrant with a magistrate court judge and swear out an affidavit in hopes that a judge will find there's probable cause to issue the warrant. If a judge does issue the warrant, that is a command forcing or telling the police to go out and take your blood. And if you refuse that, you could be charged with obstruction.